Hello everyone, welcome to this mountain meditation. In this practice, we'll be drawing inspiration from the strength, stability, and unwavering presence of a mountain. As we connect with the qualities of a mountain, we can cultivate our own inner resilience and groundedness. Let us begin by getting into a comfortable seated position. You can sit on the floor with legs crossed, propping a pillow under the hips to give you some length. If you are on a chair, plant your feet firmly on the floor, legs uncrossed. Take a moment to adjust your sit bones so they feel balanced and even on either sides. Lengthen your spine, feeling centered and tall. Roll your shoulders slightly back to open up your heart. Let your palms rest comfortably in your lap, however feels good to you. Allow your chin to tuck very slightly under, making sure your spine is perfectly straight. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Let us start by taking a few deep breaths, allowing your body and mind to settle into the present moment. Take a deep breath in through the nose, expanding the belly, and slowly exhale as the belly contracts. Again, inhale deeply, expanding the belly, and slowly exhale out as the belly contracts. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly let your breath come back to its natural rhythm. Now imagine yourself in a serene mountain landscape. Picture a majestic mountain rising tall and firm, rooted deeply into the earth. Visualize its towering peak, the rugged terrain, and the vast expanse surrounding it. As you bring this image to mind, begin to embody the essence of a mountain within yourself. Sit tall and strong with a sense of rootedness, mirroring the stability and steadfastness of a mountain. Take a few moments to observe your breath as steady and continuous as the mountain's presence. Feel the inhale and exhale flowing effortlessly, anchoring you to the present moment. Now shift your attention to your body. Observe any sensations or tensions present. As you inhale, imagine drawing in the strength and stability of the mountain, allowing it to fill your body. With each exhale, release any tension or unease, letting it dissolve into the ground beneath you. With each breath, feel your body becoming more grounded and connected, just like the mountain rooted into the earth. Embrace a sense of stability and unwavering strength. As you continue to sit in the presence of the mountain, notice the thoughts and emotions that arise just as the weather changes around the mountain. Observe them with a sense of detachment, like passing clouds, allowing them to come and go without clinging onto them. Return your focus to your breath and the image of the mountain. Imagine that any thoughts or emotions are simply flowing around you, like the wind swirling around the mountain's peak, but not disturbing your inner stillness. Become aware of the vastness of the mountain's perspective. From its height, it witnesses the ever-changing landscape below. Embrace this expanded perspective within yourself, allowing your awareness to widen and encompass the present moment. Take a few more moments to bask in the energy of the mountain, feeling its unwavering presence within you. Embrace the strength, stability, and the groundedness it represents. As we near the end of this mountain meditation, bring your attention back to your breath. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any remaining tension or discomfort. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying the energy and qualities of the mountain with you as you continue your day. May the strength and the resilience of the mountain inspire you to stand tall in the face of challenges, to find stability in the midst of change, and to cultivate a deep sense of groundedness within yourself. Namaste.